Hawaii has supported pretty much all of the content that I've put out.
Hmm.
And we have a strong relationship with that particular film festival. Anderson Lee, the head programmer there, has always been an advocate for our stories. And so we wanted to, respect that relationship that we'd had previously. And it's a Pacific Film Festival, and this is a Pacific movie. So we wanted to launch it there, and make a really big, strong statement about Pacific movies and not using the festival as a secondary festival, third festival to go to. Be the first one we went to, try and launch there, try and make a big statement about that, and just respect all of our Pacific peoples who are trying to promote each other and doing the work and getting the work out there. So yeah, it was important for us to be at Hawaii, and hopefully we all of us continue to take our movies here. All us Pacifica people continue to take our movies here.